Hello and welcome to this video section, and in this video I'm going to be showing you around the device health management inventory system. Alright, so the moment you want to onboard into the device health management inventory system, the first page you get to see is this very page. Alright, on this page you get to either click on the login button if you have an account, or the sign up button if you do not have an account. So I'm going to click on the sign up button, and then on the sign up page we have provided you with two options through which you can set up an account on the DHMS. You can either fill up this form, or you can click on the button down here to sign up using your Gmail account. We recommend that you use your company Gmail account when you want to sign up on the DHMS. So I'm going to fill this form now and click on the sign up button. Okay, so I'm going to click on the sign up button. And as you can see, I just logged into my own DHMS account. On your first sign up to the DHMS, this is the page that you will first see. This is called the dashboard. Alright, so on the dashboard we have a few information that we provide for you. Right here we have an information about the number of devices you have on your platform. We have the number of devices that are at risk. We have the number of staff members that you have onboarded onto your DHMS. And we have a minor graph here that shows a summary of your device health reports. Right at the top here we have a button that you can click to onboard a device individually. Alright, you can register your device, you can select the device kind, you can fill in the device department, the brand, the operating system, the cost of purchase, the year of purchase, the device name, the MAC address, the IP address, the working condition of the device, and the device location. After which you can now assign the device to a particular staff member on your DHMS. Alright, so right here we also have on the left hand side we have a couple of pages. So the second page we have there is the device inventory system, and on this page you will find a summary of a list of all the devices that you onboard onto your DHMS. Alright, the third page you have there is the staff members page, and on this page you get to see a list of all the staff members registered on your DHMS. And on the fourth page we have the reports page. On the reports page you get to find a summary of all the expenses you have made with your devices in regard. Okay, you see the amount of money you've spent on purchasing devices, you see the amount you've spent on maintenance, and all other information that has to do with your financial expenses when it comes to your devices and your device health management regard. Okay, so the fifth page we have there is the help and support page, and on this page you can contact support and you can find other helpful materials that can help you optimize your use of the DHMS. On the next page there we have the maintenance page, and on the maintenance page you'll find all your maintenance requests. All the maintenance requests that you make, they'll be displayed on this page. All the maintenance requests that your staff members make will be displayed on this page. And on the next page we have the settings, and on the settings page you can make changes to your account. And the last button we have there is the logout button. You can click that to get to log out of your DHMS. Alright, so right here we have an upload button. When you click on this button, it allows you to upload a CSV file of all your devices and the staff members registered in that CSV file. Okay, we have a particular format that we advise you to use when you want to upload a CSV file. So you can click on this particular button right here, this place, to be able to download the recommended CSV format that you have to follow to upload your devices onto the DHMS. Okay, and right here we have the scan button. When you click on this button, you are taken to a page that provides you with step-to-step procedures on how you can scan your network and onboard all the devices connected to your network in bulk onto your DHMS. Your devices, you can filter your devices by the health status, you can filter your devices by the category, and you can filter them by the date that you had onboarded the system onto the DHMS. Alright, so right now I'm going to show you how you can register your staff members onto the DHMS individually. Okay, remember I said that if you want to register your staff members, you can either upload them in bulk via a CSV file, or you can register them individually. To register a staff member individually, you're going to have to go to the staff members page and click on this button right here that says add new staff. But as you can see, I do not have any staff member registered on my DHMS now. I'm going to click on the add new staff button to register a new staff member. I'm going to give this staff member a name, Bolu, and the surname of Olamide. I'm going to give her an email address of bolu@itsc.com. I'm going to give her a role of HR, and I'm going to give her a phone number, an official phone number of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Just for this example, I'm going to give her a location of Lagos and click on the register staff button. And as you can see, Bolu has been registered onto this DHMS. Okay, so right now you can click here to see Bolu's information in details. You can click on this button here to edit her information, or you can click here to delete Bolu from your DHMS. Okay, you can also see that the system provides Bolu with a unique staff ID, and you can see her name, her office, her location, her email address, and the rest of that. So right now I'm going to try to register a device onto the DHMS, and I'm going to assign that device to Bolu. Okay, to do this, I'm going to click on this button on the dashboard that says add a new device. I'm going to click here and I'm going to select device kind to be laptop, the departments to be HR, the brand to be HP, the operating system as Windows 11, the cost of purchase as 100,000, the year of purchase as 2021, the device name as Bolu's device, the MAC address, I'm just going to enter something there, the IP, and the working condition as working, the device location as Lagos, and I'm going to assign this device to Bolu, and I'm going to click on the add device button. And as you can see, this device has been registered and assigned to Bolu. Okay, so you can click here to see the device details. Alright, so I want to show you a step-by-step procedure that you can follow in order to upload all your devices and staff members onto the DHMS in bulk. Okay, so in order to do this, I'm going to go back to the dashboard and I will click on the upload button. And before you can upload your CSV file, it's advisable that you note that you have to use the CSV file format that we have provided for you. Okay, you can download this particular CSV file format by clicking on this particular place. I'm going to click it now and download this CSV file format, and let's see what it looks like. As you can see, it has downloaded, and I'm going to click on it to open it. And as you can see, this CSV file format already comes with an example that you can follow and register your devices and upload the CSV file back onto the DHMS. So the first option there is the device IP, the device name, the device MAC address, the device network adapter, the device user's first name, user's last name, the working status, whether working, faulty or critical. Okay, you enter your company name, the device use department, the port number, the device multiple packets, and the rest of these informations. Everything is just pretty much understandable. Okay, and we advise that you please fill in all these information, because the more information you provide, the more we can analyze this data to provide you with statistical information that are important for your business. Okay, as soon as you're done filling this form, all right, you just have to save it up. And when you're done saving it up, I'm just going to save this one up right now, and I'm going to upload it back onto the DHMS. Okay, and let's see what it looks like. I'm going to save. Okay, so I'm going to upload that particular CSV file onto my DHMS now. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to click to select the CSV file, and I'm going to go into the folder where I saved the CSV file and select it and click on upload. And as you can see, the CSV file, the device in that CSV file just got uploaded onto my DHMS. And one important information you can note here is the DDR, which is the device depreciation rate. This particular DHMS helps you calculate that particular device's depreciation rate. So this information can be calculated if you provide all the information required from you on the CSV file. Okay. Alright, so right now I want to show you a step-by-step procedure that you can follow to scan your network and find all the devices connected to your network, and then you can upload them in bulk onto your DHMS. In order to do this, you have to click on the scan button right here. When you click on that button, it brings you to this page where we have provided you with a 6-step procedure that you can follow to scan your network and find all the devices connected to your network. The first thing you have to do is to download a lightweight software that we have provided for you. If your system is a 32-bit system, you click on the first one to download it, and if it's a 64-bit system, click on the second one to download. When you download and install this software, it looks exactly like this picture down here. I'm going to show you the one on my system. You can see this is the one I have installed on my PC right now, and you can see we have 3 devices that I had found connected to my network. Right, so the next step there says that you should click on the green play like button at the top to begin the scan procedure. Okay, so this is the button that you have to click to start the scan procedure. Okay, so the next step now says that you should select all the found options, all the found devices in the software. Right, to do this you have to click on the edit button and then click on select all. When you do this, you have to right click on this place and copy all the selected devices. All right, the next step now says that you should paste all the devices that was scanned into this CSV file. All right, on this place we provide you with another CSV file that contains all the headings that you need to use to upload the devices onto the DHMS. You just have to click on this place to download this particular CSV file, and I'm going to open this CSV file and show you what it looks like. So as you can see in this CSV file, we have provided you with all the headings that you need to make it easier for you. Okay, all you have to do is that when you copy all the devices that we are scanned from the scan software, you have to paste them into this particular CSV file from the second line. Okay, you paste them into this place. Yes, and as you can see, the devices have been pasted into the CSV file. Now the next thing you have to do is to delete the line number 2. Okay, you delete this particular line, this particular row, and as soon as you've deleted it, so right now you have to take your time to fill in all the empty spaces on this CSV file, and as soon as you're done, you can save this CSV file and upload it onto the DHMS. All right, so I'm going to upload a previously scan that I carried out before, and I want to upload it now, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, so you just have to click on this particular button right here to upload the CSV file when you're done scanning your network. Okay, so I'm going to select my own CSV file now, and I'm going to upload it. And as you can see, the devices in that CSV file just got registered onto my DHMS. It's that easy. Okay, so you can see the first 2 devices here just got registered. All right, so these informations we are extracted from the CSV file. All right, so this is the steps that you can follow to scan your network and upload the devices that you found onto your DHMS. Okay, so now I want to show you how you can allow your staff members to access their section of the DHMS application. Right, so when you come to the staff members page, you get to see a list of all available staff members that you have registered onto your DHMS, and you can see the devices that you assign to each staff member. Okay, you notice that the system assigns a staff ID to each staff member that you register onto the DHMS. Okay, so I'm going to click on the more details option for this particular staff member, and as you can see, this staff member is called John Doe. He has a staff ID and the department is the HR department, and I have assigned 1 device to this particular staff member. So this staff member gets access to a unique dashboard through which they can manage their own device. Okay, in order for this staff to access their own dashboard, they have to use their official email address as the email and their staff ID as the password. Okay, let me just show you how the staff member can log in. I'm going to copy this particular staff member's email address and I'm going to paste it in here, and I'm going to copy that staff member's ID and I'm going to paste it in here as the ID, as the password. All right, I'm going to click on sign in, and as you can see, this brings you into a unique dashboard meant for this particular staff member. You can see the staff name there, and you can see that we have 1 device assigned to this staff member. So your staff, each staff member that you upload onto your DHMS gets access to their own dashboard and account where they can manage the devices that you assign to them. We understand that you might want to assign more than 1 device to a particular staff member, and we also created this particular provisional dashboard through which the staff member can effectively manage all these devices. All right, so you can see that we have the dashboard, the device inventory page, the help and support, the maintenance page, and the settings page. All right, so down here we have a graph that shows the number of requests that this particular staff member has made in every month. All right, so we have down here as well the name of the device that has been assigned to this staff member. Okay, let's say this staff member wants to request for a maintenance of their device. All this staff member has to do is to either click on this button here to request for a new maintenance, or they can go to the device inventory page and they can click on the more details button assigned to this device, and they can also fill in a maintenance request just like the admin does. Let's say this staff member wants to upgrade their operating system. I'm going to say upgrade OS, and I'm going to attach a maintenance description as I want my device OS to be upgraded to Windows 11. Okay, and then you click on submit request, and as you can see, this particular request shows up on that particular staff member's maintenance page. Okay, this particular staff member can also on this button right here to view the details of this particular maintenance, and they can add a comment as well. This is my comment as a staff. All right, so whatever the staff member adds here, you as the admin will see it on your end. We give you total access control on your own DHMS. So whatever your staff does on their account, you as the admin gets to see it. Okay, this particular staff member also has the ability to change the maintenance status from ongoing to completed when the device has been fixed. Okay, as you can see, that's changed to completed. You as the admin, you cannot change the status, but the staff who made the request is able to change that status. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my own account as the admin and show you exactly what this staff has done in your own section. Okay, so I'm going to log in as the admin, and I'm going to show you that maintenance request that staff had made on your own section. As you can see, this is the maintenance request that staff has made, and I can see this because the staff is registered under my company. Okay, so I can click here to view details of this maintenance, and as you can see, I can see the comments that my staff has made. I can also add my own comments as the admin. This is my comment as the admin. Okay, so when you add a comment here, the staff member also gets to see your comments, and ITSA gets to see your comments. So what this does is that it gives you access to see the maintenance request that your staff made, and you get to follow up to know when the request is completed. You get to know what the maintenance request description is and everything that is happening under your staff accounts. Okay,